Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, the Unconventional Attorney. Today I want to talk about whether or not you should charge for law firm consultations. This is a question that came right out of the Sanctuary group. It's something I talked about recently within the last few weeks, but because I got asked there again, I thought I would bring it up here. And speaking of the Sanctuary, have you been searching for the secrets to law firm success? Do you wish someone gave you the game plan to get new clients? I have good news for you. I have created it. It's called the Sanctuary, and you can have unlimited access for just $4.83 a day. To learn more, go to lawyersanctuary.com. That's lawyersanctuary.com. What's up, Jocelyn? Anyway, let's talk about charging for consultations. I personally have never charged for consultations. I've had a criminal defense practice, traffic ticket practice, personal injury practice, estate planning practice, and a probate practice. Those first three I sold. The last two I have right now. I have considered charging for consultations in the past. It typically comes after a run of really, really shitty consultations where people are just calling me and basically saying, "Hey, what's the price?" And for me, I personally just tell them the price because if that's what they want, I give it to them. And they say, "Okay, great, that's too expensive. See ya." If you have enough consultations like that, it can become a problem, and you can become sort of, it can hurt your feelings, and you can look for reasons to change. So I think instead of charging for consultations, I would try a couple of different things first. One of the things that I try to do is in all of my marketing materials, my website, my Google ads, my everything, I don't mention cheap. I don't mention affordable. I don't mention inexpensive. I don't mention anything that relates to price and to being cheap. If you do that, you are going to be attracting those type of clients. And if you don't think that the other type of clients are out there, then you're wrong. Okay? There's no other way to say that. There are plenty of people out there that would be willing to pay you a wonderful legal fee for your help, but they just have to believe that you are the type of attorney that's going to provide that kind of service. All right? If you mention cheap, if you mention affordable, if you mention all these buzzwords that poor people like or that cheap people like, those are the kind of people that you are going to attract to your firm. Now, that does not mean that you need to call things expensive or you need to call things whatever. Just don't mention it, okay? Because the people that are looking for cheap, they want to see the word cheap. They want to see the word affordable. They want to see those actual words in your descriptions, in your ads, in all of these things. So I don't put those in there. And so I tend to have very, very, very few price shoppers. And gosh, I literally cannot remember the last time that somebody called me up and said, "What's the price for an estate plan?" or "What's the price for a probate?" Typically, we just run through the typical thing. They understand what the price is going to be already. They have a good idea. And most of the time, as long as sort of like we make a connection, like a love connection, then they're ready to sign up. Now, there might be some times when I would consider charging for a consultation, and that would be if you were in some sort of a practice area where you feel like you're going to be giving some specific advice right off the bat, maybe. But even then, I'm a giver. I like to try to give as much value as I can and understand that people are going to either sign up or not. If I was going to do a consultation where someone had to pay, however, I would ensure that people understood that whatever they pay for that consultation is going to be applied to their fee if they do sign up. I would also be very, very careful to explain why I'm asking for a fee in like in the calendar request or wherever it is. I would really make sure that I explained, look, I need to charge this fee just to make sure that you're serious. I might even tell people this. This is something I would really consider doing. I am going to charge you this fee, and it would be a nominal fee. Let's say $25. If you show up for our meeting, I'm going to give you this $25 back. Okay? I literally will just refund it to you. The reason I'm doing this is because I've had a lot of people not show up, and I want to make sure that you're as serious in your case as I am. I might say something like that, and then charge. But I think it drives away more people than it. I think it drives away more good clients than it saves you from bad potential clients. Hopefully that makes sense. So I mean, as far as my opinion on charging for consultations, I'm not really for it. There are definitely people out there that do it and do it successfully. I think another thing to consider as you think about whether or not you want to charge for consultations is, what is your deal flow like? If you, for example, if you had room for, let's say, 20 potential client meetings a week, and right now you are doing 20 potential client meetings every week, and you're running out of space, I would consider charging. Okay, because then you can knock that down. You can sort of, cut the wheat from the chaff, I think they say. Sort of full of all sorts of weird stuff today. But I might do that to sort of just pare down the people that are coming in and really eliminate all of those. Now, you may go from 20 a week down to 10 if you do that, and you may want to adjust. That makes sense? It's all a test. I would try some of those other techniques though before I started charging. And one of the best things that you can do is eliminate that affordable, eliminate that sort of talk from your website, from everything that you do. Eliminate it from your consultations. Just eliminate it, period. You are not affordable. What you are is a tremendous value. So for the price that's being paid, you are providing a tremendous value, no matter what that price is. That's the way I describe it. People ask me for discounts, I say no. The value that I'm providing you is way, way more than the price I'm asking. And people kind of get that, or they don't, and that's okay. We just move on to the next person. Okay? So that's it. That is my opinion on charging for law firm consultations. If, by the way, you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you are someplace where you can hit the subscribe button and you don't want to miss any of this amazing content, then hit that subscribe button. All right. Once again, I'm Christopher Small. I am the Unconventional Attorney. If you are a law firm owner and you are looking for answers, you're looking for the secret, you want some how-to, step-by-step instructions, go visit lawyersanctuary.com. I'm giving you access to everything I've got and more for only $4.83 a day. It's a tremendous value for a cup of coffee. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. See ya.